I'm going to show you how you can install Swarm64 DA on an existing instance of PostgreSQL. Swarm64 DA stands for Swarm64 Data Accelerator, and it's an extension that essentially makes Postgres run faster. Today I'm going to be installing Swarm64 DA on a Windows virtual machine running Ubuntu and PostgreSQL 12. So let's install the Swarm64 DA repository. And once that's done, we can install the appropriate Swarm64 DA package for our PostgreSQL installation. Again, I'm running PostgreSQL 12. And we need to modify the PostgreSQL config to ensure that it can access the extension. So for shared preload libraries, we'll add Swarm64 DA here. And while I'm here, I'm going to include another directory because we're going to add some tuning settings later. So we'll add the conf.d directory here. Let's save that. And we will restart Postgres to pick up the changes. And then we can log into Postgres and create the extension. And we can run a little query just to make sure it's installed properly, and we can check out what version we're running here. And we are running version 5.2.1. So now we're going to load the license file. Hopefully you have saved the license file to a location that you can access from this machine. Here you'll just enter the path to where you have your license saved. And we can also check that showing our license file. And that looks good. So that is it. Pretty simple. Postgres will now automatically take advantage of all of the Swarm64 features. If you need any assistance, do not hesitate to reach out to us at support@swarm64.com. Thanks for listening.